Hi everyone, another day at Retrospective Scooters, giving you a run through on the shop and the goings on, just regular usual things that happen at Retrospective. Some of the bikes on the foyer here that we sell, project bikes like this, the old LC, some of our customers' bikes that are getting restored. This little bike's just come in for restoration, a few others in for work. So walking through the shop, some of our for sale bikes, an electric conversion kit going out to California, into the showroom. Some of the bikes that we have for sale. It's a good old full showroom here. This is Marcus's bike. It's an electric conversion bike that he's just charging up, filling up with fuel before he goes home today on it. Getting into the workshop area. We've got this is a GS VS1. Now that's the sort of project bike, that's hardcore project, but it's worth doing. That is a very rare bike, a GS VS1. Looking around the workshops here, we've got a French LD that's going to be converted to electric. The guys at London Scooter Body Shop have some paintwork here that we're building some forks and lambretta bits with. Stepping into the workshop. Each bench is pretty busy. Marcus and Lucas are doing a resto. Jan's doing a repair. Jerry's stripping a bike for restoration. This is actually in for restoration. Scotch is on a restoration of a GS VS3. Here in the London Scooter Body Shop, we call it the dirty room, where he does all the panel beating, welding and cutting out of floors and rot and rust to weld them back and panel beat them back into shape. We have like 3-4 bikes here that are being prepared. One in the far corner's just got braced up here and it's had the floor cut out, so it'll have a new floor welded in. The middle one here is a very bad example of a rough Vespa that just really is too far gone in the chassis to really do much about it. This one is one of mine that I got in from Norway. I'm doing a resto on it. This is a VGLA 10-inch wheel like Sportique. There's a very rare bike here. It's a GS 150 that Dave's doing a very special work to it. He's making it into a special racer that has sort of 6-day racer style body work to it, curved and that, but pretty unique. You'll see more of that later on in other videos and these other bikes as they're being done. We are currently upstairs in the electric conversion department, where the guys make electric kits. This is one here Marcus has just put together. This is going in a small frame Vespa. That's the swinging arm, and that's the control box that he's just put together. That'll be going on in a little restored Primavera that the boys are putting together downstairs. Very easy to do, very easy to chuck together quite quickly. It's much easier to do than a proper restoration with a 2-stroke engine and all that sort of going together. This is really easy, very simple. As you can see here this is a Nui electric scooter. It's a brand new electric scooter. The simplicity of the setup being in, that's your engine. That's it. That is your engine. It just bolts into a swing arm. And this is this is just some leftover parts that we had from our electric scooter, brand new electric scooters. It's a Nui. It's a chassis of a Nui for somebody to have a play with. We have some electric conversions going on to LDs here. This is just a prototype that we've been playing around with. It's coming together pretty soon. Hopefully have that for the spring. And just doing some electric conversion videos here for installation and just like a manual and a clarification of where we are with it and what goes where and what we've got and how it all comes together. in this department here. Our paint shop area. We have this is our room where we keep all painted chassis in that are awaiting building. This is a GP, lovely original aqua color. So that's a Lambretta GP, I think it's a 150. They go together. This is a small frame Vespa GS 150. This is a special GS 150 racer, very rare, late 50s, early 60s model. We are in the process of building 2 of these, so watch out for that on our YouTube channel. I do not, I've got one more Lambretta up there, and plenty more in the making. We just keep going with it.